A gentleman's game.
Gentleman's game. Here we go. Best of luck.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Redemption?
Oh,
Oh!
you lose, Mr. Cantelou.
I hate this game. This is so boring. Can't we do something else?
That's all we've been doing is checking emails over the last week.
All right. We need another competition. We need another game. We need a project. We need something.
What could we possibly do?
Animal cells.
Wow, we've been studying animal cells over the last few weeks.
We have. You guys have been learning about them for a while. So why don't we make a game or a competition out of it? What can we use?
What can we actually do? I don't know. Can we possibly maybe eat the cell?
I don't think I know where you're going. We should make a model of an animal cell that's edible.
Absolutely. I think that's a great idea. Maybe make this into a competition.
Ooh, you know I like competition. So,
Absolutely.
let's make a competition where we make animal cells out of food, out of stuff you got lying around the house. Now, this doesn't mean go out to the store and buy a bunch of stuff. No, this just means look around what you got in the house, something that's edible, and make an animal cell out of it.
For example, we've been studying some of these cell parts like the ribosomes. You could possibly use some Skittles. Remember, they are the parts of the cell that move very fast and they ride on the endoplasmic reticulum, the superhighway of the cell, which you could use other types of candy.
Yeah, like a myconite looks just like a mitochondria. It's the powerhouse of the cell and provides the cell with the energy it needs to grow and develop.
Absolutely. And for the cell itself, remember, animal cells are circular, so you might want to use something flat like a tortilla as an example to put as your base for the cell.
And your cell membrane could easily be something like a Twizzler.
Twizzlers.
It goes around.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that looks like it's a pretty easy competition. So what we're going to have you guys do is you're going to make one, you're going to take a picture of it, and you're going to send it to us, and we're going to vote on which one's the best. And we're also going to let you guys see them, and we're going to put up the top 10, and you guys will get to vote which one's the best out of that. But that's only part of the project. We need you to do more.
We need you to write a little bit about each of the cell functions and what they actually do. I know we've been studying some of that over this past week on some of the emails I've sent to you guys, but we want you to write down each of the cells, what they do and how they are related to one another and how they function together as a whole.
Yeah, and we need to know what each thing is, so you got to label it. So if you made a myconite, well, you got to tell us that's your mitochondria, and then you got to tell us what it does.
Absolutely. Same thing with, like, if you use the example for the cell membrane as the Twizzlers and tell what's the main function of the cell membrane. It protects things going in and out of the cell, but also is your border for the cell as well.
All right, well, I think that's about it.
Absolutely.
Gentlemen's game?
Gentlemen's game. Round 700.
Round 700.
Oh! Every time. All right, signing off to you guys. Have a wonderful week.